Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of the miscellaneous exercise on Chapter 9, Differential Equations, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. The miscellaneous exercise on Chapter 9 has 15 questions spanning the whole chapter: order and degree, verifications, a general solution proof, separable, homogeneous, and linear solves, and 3 multiple choice. Here they are. Question 1 of the Chapter 9, Miscellaneous. 3 equations, 3 verdicts on order and degree. Watch for the sign of a derivative in the third. Part 1, highest derivative second to the first power. Order 2, degree 1. Part 2, only first derivatives cubed at highest. Order 1, degree 3. Part 3, fourth order, but the sign of the third derivative leaves the degree undefined. Question 2. 4 verification drills, 2 explicit and 2 implicit. Differentiate as required and substitute each into its equation. Part 1. Differentiating xy twice gives xy double prime plus 2y prime equal to a e to the x plus be to the minus x plus 2, which is xy minus x squared plus 2. Rearranged, the equation holds. Part 2. The exponential trig product differentiates twice into exactly 2y prime minus 2y. Part 3. Y double prime is 6 cosine 3x minus 9x sine 3x, and adding 9y cancels the sine term. Part 4. Implicit differentiation of x squared equals 2y squared log y gives 2x equals the bracket times y prime. Substituting log y back yields the equation. Question 3. A quartic family must be shown to satisfy a symmetric cubic equation. Differentiate the family implicitly and eliminate c. Differentiate both sides and divide out the common factor 2. Substitute c from the family itself and clear denominators. Expanding and collecting the y prime terms gives exactly the required cubic equation. Question 4. The roots split perfectly between the variables. 2 inverse signs appear. Separate dy over root 1 minus y squared equals minus dx over root 1 minus x squared. Integrate to the sum of inverse signs. Question 5. 2 matching quadratics that never vanish. Both integrals are arctangents. The tangent addition formula packages them. Separate and complete both squares. Each side integrates to a scaled arctangent. Apply the tangent addition formula to the sum and simplify the resulting fraction, renaming the constant as it gives exactly the claimed family. Question 6. Sines and cosines split perfectly. 2 log secants combine, separate into tangent integrals. At the given point secant 0 is 1 and secant pi over 4 is root 2. The curve in cosine form. Question 7. Arctangents on both sides, one of them in e to the x. The constant works out to a right angle. Separate with t equals e to the x on the right. At 0, 1 both arctangents are pi over 4. C is pi over 2. Question 8. The ratio x over y in the exponent. Substitute x as vy. The v terms cancel to leave a pure exponential. With x equal vy, the equation collapses to e to the v dv equals dy. Integrate and restore the ratio. Question 9. The hinted substitution t equals x minus y. The equation becomes separable in t and x. With t as x minus y, dt is dx minus dy, and dx plus dy is 2dx minus dt. Separate. Integrate 2x equals log t plus t, back in x and y with the condition c is 1, giving the log form. Question 10. Rearranged, a linear equation with root x inside. The integrating factor is e to the 2 root x. As a linear equation in y prime plus y over root x equals e to the minus 2 root x over root x. The factor is e to the 2 root x. Integrate the right side to 2 root x. Question 11. Linear with cotangent, the factor is sine x. The right side simplifies to plane 4x. Multiply by sine x. The product y sine x differentiates against 4x. The condition at pi over 2 gives c minus pi squared over 2. Question 12, the last full solution. Separate with e to the y. A substitution t equals e to the y times the left side. Multiply by e to the y and separate. The left integrates to minus log of 2 minus e to the y. At the origin c is 0, solve for y. Question 13, multiple choice. Clear the fraction and separate. Log x equals log y up to a constant. Y dx equals x dy separates to dx over x equals dy over y, the family of lines through the origin. Option C. Question 14, multiple choice. The linear formula with roles swapped. X is the dependent variable, y the independent. The solution multiplies x by the factor in y and integrates in y. Option C. Question 15, the final question of Chapter 9, multiple choice. The left side hides an exact derivative. Y e to the x plus x squared differentiates to exactly this. D of y e to the x is e to the x dy plus y e to the x dx. So the equation says d of y e to the x plus x squared is 0. Option C. That completes the miscellaneous exercise, and with it Chapter 9, Differential Equations. In the next video, we begin Chapter 10, Vector Algebra. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to math tutorials, and share it with your friends.